Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. During today's video, I'll show you how you can earn $250 by simply using Google. Believe it or not, you can earn this way in just a few short days. I know that many of you watching this video have used Google in your daily life, but I am pretty sure that you had no idea that it can be used to earn money. Some people might not approve of me sharing now how you can earn a lot of money because they don't want to share it with everyone. On the other hand, I'm excited to share today's method because I don't want you to miss out on it. So with this method, you can earn money like I do, so sit back and relax and don't skip this video. You can earn money just like I do, just sit back and relax as I share the best idea I have with you. So in this video, you'll learn everything you need to know and by the end you'll be able to start earning money right away. Welcome to Top 4 Earn, where I show you how to make money online using methods. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications button. Make sure you like it. And if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Now let's get started. Our first step is opening a new browser and going to start.diskwonder.com. This website will offer you to be a researcher. The work is effortless and flexible and it has a fast turnaround that even though you're sleeping at night it still works. By its combined quality and speed you can still get what you want even though you're taking your C's. There's unlimited scale and more than 6,000 available analysts. With just a push of a button it enables massive scales for challenging and sizable projects, and this is 100% hassle-free. Whatever you ask will be taken care of by them because they'll assemble in a team, so you don't need to waste your time finding or training anyone. No worries, because this website has been running for many years and they're working with many big brands like Bloomberg, Beta, Staples, City Ventures and many more. Today I'll show you 2 ways to earn money on this website. There's a simple way and a smart way, which is the way that other users do to earn a passive income. It's actually possible to earn $100 within 10 minutes. Does it sound impossible to you? Well, I tell you, nothing is impossible. This website works for people who want to learn or know things but are so lazy to do their own research, and that's the moment where you take the spotlight and that's where you learn your $250 or even more. Of course, the first thing you need to do for you to be able to start earning money on this website is to sign up and create your own account. On the upper right corner click the Become a Researcher and you'll be redirected to a page where you need to fill up some of your information for you to sign up. The application will only take 5 minutes of your time. You're going to provide them with your full name, email address, password, the city where you're living, and you also need to confirm that you are not a robot and agree on the terms and conditions and start the application. See, the application process is not complicated, it's very easy and it won't even take a lot of your time. Also, when you scroll down on the web page where you fill up your information, you will see the 4 steps on how the website works. When you're done signing up, you should visit the research dashboard. Once you're ready to start working, you'll be assigned on the request to work and you'll start to find resources or answers and synthesize your findings, and lastly submit your completed work and receive your earnings. And I'm gonna walk you through all of these steps and I'll also share some tips with you so that you can triple your earnings. I just want you to give your 100% attention to this video and don't miss out on any important details. No skipping please. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below. Back to your account. On your homepage, I want you to scroll down until you see the sample research that might be given to you once you're officially working. Now choose anything from the samples, whatever will be interesting for you. For example, we're going to choose the first one on the list. We will now highlight it and then copy it. Once copied, open a new tab and go to google.com and then paste the one you copied on the search bar and then hit search. That's it. Every time you have a question, just copy and paste it on the Google to get an answer. You see that a lot of results related to the question will pop up. The next step for you is to explore the first 10 results. Copy the important details from those top 10 results. Open a new document on a Google Docs and then paste all the copied information on it. Once you're done with all the things that you need to do and you're ready, you can now submit your work and earn your $10, $20 or even $100. Going back on our homepage on Ask Wonder, on the research sample, you can actually view the sample answer research related to the question. You'll follow the outline and format of the sample article. You can see that there's a lot of information and the most important part is the answer to the main question. It's very important and crucial that you answer the Main question of your research article and all the answers that you need are on Google. All the steps are all easy, it's literally copy pasting, it's not really hard or confusing once you understand all of it. Just make sure that all the information is there and the main question got its answer. Follow the format like on the sample research properly. That's basically the way for you to earn hundreds of dollars on this website, especially if you're very consistent on this. But if you don't want to do this kind of work, well, there's one way for you to utilize this website and still earn using this method. Then I highly suggest that you go to microworkers.com. You can hire someone to do all the work like gathering data and research for you using this website. You're just gonna pay them $1 or $2. They're willing to do all the work for you. Imagine that, you're earning 100 without doing anything and just letting other people do all the work for you. That's so amazing, right? And that's a smart way to earn a lot, and I highly recommend that you should do the smart way to earn money because it's easy and won't take all of your time. Hopefully you gained some value from this video, and if you did, let me know by liking and subscribing. Thanks and see you soon.